Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. You remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1970 Dodge Charger True RTSE car. Very nice car. Gorgeous FK5. I think Dodge calls this deep burnt orange metallic. It's got the black tail stripe, the black vinyl top, and black vinyl interior. Great car, guys. Runs and drives just as sweet as can be. Good car. I would say this is a car that it's been restored. They said it's an older restoration, probably done about 14, 15 years ago, but just very well maintained. I guess the last couple of owners actually just didn't drive it much, it sounds like. Good, solid, straight body. Car's out of Mississippi. Again, it is a true car. Factory U code 440. It's not a matching numbers car. It has a 69 date coded 440 in it. Does have factory air on it. Air blows cold. But just what I would call, you probably heard me use this term before, a good, honest, old car. I don't think this car has had a ton of stuff done to it. Pretty original. It's been repainted, some stuff like that. But just a good car in slick paint. I think these bumpers are original. They're showing a little age. Car's slick enough that if a guy wanted to throw some new bumpers on it, it wouldn't hurt it at all, but I know a lot of guys like seeing that original stuff. Really good looking paint on this car. It's got the hood pins, it's got the functional hood mount turn signals. All this stuff looks original to me. The trim, the stainless. They've definitely redone the seats, new vinyl top. It's in great shape. I do have a breakdown on the fender tag. If anybody wants it, you can call me. I can scan it and send it to you. Factory rear defog car. That's pretty cool. They've seen a couple little, it's got a couple little blemishes in the paint, but this car, somebody's owned and loved this car. They've just kept this car nice. Again, this stuff's original. Looks like a new rear bumper to me. You can see it's nice and straight down the sides. BF Goodrich Radial T all the way around it with the rally wheels. These are long cars, man, and so this thing is nice and straight. I mean, look at that thing down the sides. It's nice. If I remember right, they said this car is an all-original panel car. Factory rally wheels. Front disc brake car. There's not a whole lot to really pick at. I mean, this thing is nice. Again, it's got a 69 date coded 440 in it. Pretty much bone stock, 4-barrel stock intake. Stock exhaust manifolds. It's a factory air car. You can see they've upgraded the compressor. The dual snorkel air cleaner, stock valve covers, Mopar radiator with a shroud, power steering. They have upgraded to electronic ignition, 727 Torqueflite automatic transmission. There's your fender tag. People always ask me, I get this all the time, what's the most desirable cars to collect? I always tell people, Chargers and Cudas, they've been in demand since, like I said, I've been doing this since I was 17 years old. 68 to 70 Chargers and 70 and 71 Cudas have just always been extremely popular. Look at paint. I mean, somebody did a nice job on this car. And again, it's older. Yeah, I mean, look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Dual body color mirrors. These look like the original door handles. This stuff looks original here, and it's great shape. I think the door pads are original. I think they have, there's your original door tag. They have, door seams are nice and clean. Remote mirror. They've definitely redone the seats. They're very nice. I have new floor mats on the way. I think they shipped out today. Tuff wheel. Again, factory bucket seats with center console. Headliner looks great. Steering wheel's in great shape. Factory dash, it's showing 648. I'm sure that's 10648. That's not the original miles. That's all your original dash. AM radio works. Like I say, air blows cold. It has Flowmaster dual exhaust with the chrome tips. Factory 8 3/4, 323 rear axle. No big gear. Definitely a cruiser. It is, I mean, hard to show you that, but it's body color in the trunk. Jack, Goodyear red line spare, which is pretty cool. Very just original underneath when I show you that. Good straight color. See a couple little marks in that. Those are original. Yeah, door seams are nice and clean. Looks like they've replaced the carpet at one time. See if I can, got it. Again, seats are nice. They've definitely been recovered. Good car. Yes, our weather's getting nice, guys. I know everybody's getting excited and fired up, and yeah, look how nice that A-pillar chrome is. Nathan's got your air on. Like I say, it blows cold. Nice and tight. Really hits the road good. Good looking cars. These Chargers are just great looking cars. No on the clock. All your other gauges are functional. Doors open and close nice. Gaps look good. Hopefully you can see that. I think all the lights back here work. I think even the reverse lights work. Yep, backup lights work. Yeah, and just a pleasure going down the road. Radio does work, blower motor works. Well, the wiper's sticking. We'll check that. Probably lost power. Oh, hood mount turn signals. Hopefully you can see those. They do work. If he's got them on up, they do work. Flip your switch down. Your headlights are still open. Flip your switch. These guys got an extra switch under the dash for the headlights. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. That car, man, that is a pretty Charger right there.